Hello and welcome to Explosive Science. Today I'm going to show you how we made this, the chain sword. I'm sure most of you by now have seen this in action on the Slingshot Channel, and what an awesome thing it is. Now you've got a chance to win this. All you have to do is hit like and subscribe, and then leave a comment below. Tell us what you want us to do, what you want us to blow up, and you never know, the next thing we do might just be it. And one last thing, you must be over 18 to enter. We cannot send this out unless you're over 18, and we will be checking this thoroughly. It all started with Jörg walking into my office, handing me a piece of paper and saying, "I have an idea for your plasma cutter. Do you think we can make it?" I looked at it and went, yeah, I think we can. So I got to work implementing the design on the computer, ready to be cut out on the CNC plasma table. I bought this plasma cutter around 2 years ago from Extreme Plasma to help us build this. Yes, the Bentley Continental GT for the Madagascar special of the Grand Tour. And we used it for everything. From the brakes, to the suspension, to the bumper, to the winch, to the... without it, it would have taken us over a year to build. We also used it on that other car, the Fiesta that we're not going to talk about. But it had a great skull and crossbones on the side. If you want to know more about this plasma cutter, then contact Extreme Plasma. Rob, the owner, is one of the nicest and most helpful people around. Now, if you haven't done it already, hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment for your chance to win this. The first thing that we cut out with the plasma cutter, the design wasn't quite right. This is it. Obviously, you can't get that through that little hole there. So we had to come up with a different design. Plus, we thought that's way too small. So we came up with this, a much bigger version. But I cut it out of plastic, first of all, to make sure that it worked. With a bit of insulation tape attached to it, yeah, it worked really well. Perfect amount of movement. All we need to do is weld up those sections there, and it's ready to go. So I then cut out 14 individual pieces on the plasma cutter. You can see it there, cutting out the shape. Literally, you can plumb in any shape you can design on the computer, it will cut out. This plasma cutter will actually cut through an inch of steel. And here is the rest of the process. Once these were cut out, we had to chip off all the slag, and then it needed to be sanded down to look nice and shiny. And then obviously the sharp edges of them. And then there was a lot more sanding. A lot more sanding. Grinding, sanding, some more grinding, some more sanding, and keep on sanding.
Chain link.
All 14 pieces need to be sharpened up before we welded them together.
Wow. Look at that.
That's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching the making of this sword. Thanks to everyone that's subscribed so far, and I'll see you next time.